Hello everyone, hi Capricorn, at sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see Capricorn, what's going on and your messages. Capricorn at the energy. All communication cards. Under the deck, Queen of Wands, and here the reading is in reading King of Wands. I think you both are powerful couple and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. I think there is communication is going between you and your person. Definitely in past there is back and forth communication between both of you regarding some situation, regarding some truth, okay, in recent past, because Ace of Swords is there and Page of Wands and Eight of Wands. Definitely there is a lot of back and forth communication between you and your person. Some truth is coming out. Definitely there is some communication, and right now what is going, I think someone is cut the other person off. I think it's you, what I am seeing. You are very straightforward and honest person, Capricorn, because Queen of Swords is here and King of Wands. I think one person cut the other person. I think it's you, maybe. And a Scorpio, the person involved in this connection could be death. I think something is ending. For some there is some transformation. You are undergoing some transformation, and in near future definitely there is a lot of drama is coming, because Five of Wands is here. A lot of disturbances, lot of issues, what I am seeing. For commitment, what I am seeing, I think there is no commitment. I think your person juggling, what I am seeing here, or you maybe not sure what to do, because Two of Pentacles is here, juggling. Definitely there are some commitment issues because the Hierophant card is here. I think that's why you cut them off. Yeah, maybe because they are in and out of your life. You are very straightforward, you are always there for your person. But your person, yeah, there is a lot of drama, what I'm seeing here. And yeah, Queen of Swords, I think you deserve best, you deserve love. If your person doesn't offer that, definitely you will cut them off, because Queen of Swords energy is very, she will do what she want to do, okay, that type of energy, Queen of Swords. And definitely you stand by your power, King of Wands. And under the deck, Queen of Wands, definitely there are some ego problems also. You both are very strong couple, that's why there is neck to neck fight, ego problems and fighting. Definitely there is no commitment, what I'm seeing here. Commitment issues I'm getting, yeah. So the person involved in this connection could be fire energy, lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So yeah, I think for some there is no contact or less contact between both of you after discussing the issue, because in past there is a lot of communication was happened between both of you regarding the commitment issue, because the truth coming out. For some it could be third party situation also. So take what resonate and leave the rest, and energy could be vice versa. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Under the deck, Eight of Swords, definitely this connection is stuck right now. Maybe your person feeling stuck. Let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. First we will see your person current feelings, Capricorn. Six of Swords, Princess of Wands, and the Devil. Yeah, they are obsessed with you, definitely. And Princess of Wands, I think communication, they want to communicate you, because Six of Swords is also communication. They want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, Five of Wands, there is a lot of drama is going. Yeah, your person want to communicate, they want to express their feelings, and they are obsessed with you, the Devil. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Maybe you both are Capricorn. Yeah, the Devil. Definitely they are obsessed with you. I think you both are obsessed with each other for some. Yeah, Princess of Wands, one person is younger than the other person. Six of Swords, I think maybe this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. Yeah, communication, I think they want to send some message. Definitely they are obsessed with you, they are thinking about you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Your person near future actions towards you. Temperance. Yeah, I think your person is, yeah, I think your person is not talking to you right now, but they want to communicate you. Yeah, they're thinking about communicate you, because the Hermit is here and Two of Swords. Definitely they are fighting. They're in a situation between head over the heart. Definitely Temperance. I think the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Two of Swords with Hermit. Definitely they are juggling, and they may be isolated themselves from all, because they are undergoing some transformation. Your person involved in this connection could be Virgo also. Yeah, they are waiting for the right time. Definitely they are achieving some patience, and they are achieving some balance also. Yeah, but they are willing to communicate, they want to express their feelings. Definitely they are obsessed with you, Capricorn, because the Devil card is here. For some it could be they may be very dominative. I think the devil energy creates some resistance in this connection. Definitely I think in divine timing you will get some communication from your person, and yeah, they're willing to communicate, but it will take time, because right now the Hermit, they are undergoing some transformation, and Two of Swords, definitely they have to choose some decision. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome, then we will get more clarity. I think a lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Sagittarius, or Virgo, or Capricorn. Maybe your person is very abundant. They are financially stable. Yeah, you are going to be make some major decision. What Judgment is here, and Wheel of Fortune. Definitely I think in divine timing, what I'm seeing here, I think timing plays key role, because Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance and the Hermit, definitely there is some time delay what I'm seeing here. And Judgment, definitely you have to make some major decision. I think you are the decision maker, Capricorn here. Ace of Wands, definitely they want new beginnings with you. They are very passionate about you. And Nine of Pentacles, I think your person may be abundant, or they want to achieve financial stability. Yeah, but things are for turning out in your favor, because Wheel of Fortune with Judgment, I think your decision is final. What I'm seeing here, you have to make your decision. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. King of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the Moon, Six of Swords, two times. I think you are willing to move on from this person, what I'm seeing here. Definitely. And the Moon, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. And Knight of Swords, but they are coming back, they're rushing towards you. And yeah, King of Pentacles, they're ready to offer stability, but after the transformation, yeah, they're willing to offer stability. But I think you are decided to move on from this person, because there are some secrets. I think there is no trust between both of you. I think you are not trusting your person, what I'm seeing here. So let's see your person energy for the week. Four of Pentacles, the World, Three of Cups, Strength. I think the person involved in this connection could be Leo. And Three of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you, they want celebration with you. And the World, some cycles are going to be ending between both of you. For some it could be total ending, because the Death card is here. For some there will be chances for new beginning if you give another chance to your person. Yeah, Four of Pentacles in straight, definitely they want to express their feelings. Yeah, they're coming back to express their feelings, Capricorn, but it will take time, because in divine timing, because Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance, definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you, but they want to express their feelings. Yeah, because they want reconciliation with you. And this could be third party situation also for some. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. So take what resonate and leave the rest, guys, because this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Yeah, adjustments are required. So if you want to give another chance to your person, definitely you need to adjust. Yeah, adjustments are required. Definitely there are some secrets, maybe your person in and out of your life. Definitely there are adjustments are required if you want to give another chance to your person. Yeah, or in your life if you are facing any situation, tough situation, but it is the time to adjust. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.